Hi, and welcome to Kalsh Library website. Kalsh Library is located in Raleigh, North Carolina. This is the home screen. Currently, you are looking at the library statistics. You have your statistics for genres, how many computers we have, and how many tables that we have. Everyone is welcome. Here are the hours of operation. If you look at the top left-hand corner, you see a link for home, which is where we are currently, the contact page, where you click. You have the contact information here. If you click here, it'll open up a separate screen so that you can contact the library directly. Here's the address, and here is where the school is located. The library is located. On this page, list of books, here's a bunch of critically acclaimed fantasy genre books. And then if you'd like to see other books, you can type them in here and go ahead and submit that. So if you have any questions about the library, its location, hours of operation, books that we may have, or computer availability, feel free to, again, use the contact page. Thank you.